Now we are going to see about pole pitch. In cricket pitch, we know that the pitch size can be determined by center to center or stump to stump distance, right? So similarly, in machines, pole pitch, it is a center to center distance between the two adjacent poles. So for example, two poles in any machine that is responsible for 360-degree electrical EMF that we have discussed in the electrical and mechanical angle. Similarly, the four poles are responsible for 720-degree electrical of EMF and so on. Just like 8 poles, they double the time of 720 and it's so on. So one pole is responsible for one half cycle, that is nothing but 180-degree electrical of induced EMF. So here 180-degree electrical is called as one pole pitch. Irrespective of poles, whatever the pole numbers, the one pole pitch is equal to 180-degree electrical. And we can also denote this pole pitch in terms of number of slats, that is n. The number of slats per pole is denoted as n, that is equal to number of slats per pole. Okay, and next we are going to see about the slat angle. The phase difference contributed by one slat in degrees, that is in electrical, is called slat angle alpha. We know that one pole, that is slats per pole, number of slats per pole, contributes 180-degree electrical, which is denoted as n. So that one slat angle equal to 180-degree divided by n. So here you can see with an example, slat 1 and slat 2 is given, the conductor 1 and conductor 2 is placed here. So the slat 1 producing an EMF, that means the conductor 1 producing an EMF E1, and similarly E2 is the EMF in the conductor 2. So the difference between these two slats in electrical, or the difference between the EMF E1 and E2 is denoted in angles, that we call it as a slat angle. So just see the example here. Here there are 8 slots are there. So in 8 slots the conductors are placed. So the total slots, that means 8 slots, are contributing 360-degree mechanical. So if it is a two pole, then one pole, that means one pole pitch will be 180-degree, that is equal to here 8 divided by 2 in equal to 4, that is 4 numbers of slat per pole is contributing 180-degree. We'll see with an example both the case. Yeah, let us assume that 12 slot 2 pole machine. Okay, alternator 12 slot and 2 pole machine. Here the pole pitch equal to 180-degree electrical, okay, irrespective of anything. So if I want to find out the number of slats per pole, I have considered here 2 poles, the north and south poles. So if you notice 1, 2, 6 contributing 1 pole slats, that means the 1 to 6 which connected with only north pole, and similarly 7 to 12 is linking with south pole. So for one pole we have 6 number of slats, so that is equal to n. So here the slat angle, if I calculate 180-degree divided by 6, that means one pole pitch divided by n equal to 30-degree. Each slats will contribute 30-degree with its adjacent pole. Okay, so same case if it is for the 4 pole. So here the pole pitch equal to 180 degree, that is irrespective of poles, and the number of slot per pole here is equal to, is like we have considered 4 poles, so 12 by 4 we can consider 3, so n value equal to 3. So if I want to find out the slot angle, here 180 divided by n equal to 60 degree. So if you see both the cases, previous case you can consider the slot angle 30 degree, and in this case the slot angle 60 degree, that means 4 pole, and previous case it is 30 degree. Okay, so I hope you will understand this one. For example, in 12 slot, if I have 120 conductors, then how I will place? So 120 conductors will be placed, if it is a concentrated winding, then only one windings will be placed, that means one slot will be used. So the 120 divided by 60, 120 divided by 2, that is 60 conductors all together placed in only one slot in North Pole, and another 60 will be placed in South Pole. If it is distributed, so I will be distribute the 120 conductors in all the poles, so that 1 to 12, so that is 120 divided by 12 will be 10. So each slots will have 10 number of conductors. In case instead of conductors, if it is a turns, we know that the turns consist of 2 conductors. So 120 conductors, if it is a 120 conductors, the turns will be 60. So 12 slots will consist of 60 divided by 12, 5. So each slots will consist of 5 turns. Okay, you can understand the slots, you can understand the relationship between the slot angle, and also you can understand the conductors and turns. Thank you.